Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll master the use of Todoist boards for Kanban workflows. This will revolutionize your task management, so let's dive right in. First up, create a new board. Just click on the plus new button and select board. This is where you'll organize your tasks visually. It's like having a whiteboard where you can move sticky notes around, but digital. After creating your board, the next step is to add columns. Each column represents a stage in your workflow. For instance, you could have columns for to do, in progress, and done. The reason we do this is to clearly map out the journey of a task from inception to completion. Now that we've done that, let's add tasks. Click on the plus Add Task button in the appropriate column. Each task is like a sticky note on your digital board. This helps us because it allows you to see all your tasks at a glance and understand what stage they're at. Next, let's talk about moving tasks. Simply click and drag a task to move it from one column to another. This is how you'll track the progress of each task. The beauty of this is its simplicity. As you work on tasks, you move them along the columns, giving you a real-time overview of where everything stands. Lastly, let me explain how to customize your board. You can rename columns, change their order, and even color code them. Click on the three dots beside the column name to access these options. This helps us because it allows you to tailor the board to your specific workflow, making it an even more powerful tool for organization. So, there you have it. You've learned how to use Todoist boards for Kanban workflows, creating a board, adding columns and tasks, moving tasks along the workflow, and customizing your board to fit your needs. Remember, the secret to great task management is not just having a system, but using it consistently. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.